Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial explains how to locate the due date for projects within Trueaiwork. You will learn to apply filters to view tasks grouped by their due dates. Click the All Tasks option to display all tasks available in your workspace, providing a comprehensive list to filter from. Click the Group filter to organize tasks by specific criteria, which helps in categorizing tasks effectively. Click the Due Date option to group tasks based on their deadlines, making it easier to identify upcoming project due dates. Click the filters for Assign to Me, My Tasks, All Projects, For Statuses, All Priority, and Due Date to narrow down tasks specifically assigned to you and sorted by their due dates. You have successfully filtered tasks in Trueaiwork to find project due dates assigned to you. Use these filters regularly to stay updated on your task deadlines and priorities.